All right, number 7. The members of a city council wanted to assess the opinions of all city residents about converting an open field into a dog park. The council surveyed a sample of 500 city residents who own dogs. The survey showed that the majority of those sampled were in favor of the dog park, which often is true about the city council survey. Okay, so before we go through the answer choices, let's think through this a little bit, right? So when we do like a survey, right, we try to, the sample that we select had to be a good representation of the population, right? So in this case, they're selecting 500 people, right, to represent the resident in the city. But the problem is they selected what? So 500 city residents who own dogs, right? They only asked of people who own dogs. So would that be a good sample here? Not a good sample because not all the people in the city owns dog, right? Um, so it's not a good representation for the whole population, right? So if they want to do a good survey, then had to preferably do a random sample, right, from all the people in the city. Okay, so we should have some people that owns dog, some people that do not own dog, right? Okay, but here they only pick people that owns dogs. So, and the question is, should they build a dog park or not, right? You see here, potentially, um, we can have some bias, right? Because those who own dogs are more likely to support the dog park, okay, because they have dogs, right? So this is not a good survey here, okay? So if you go through the answer choices, A says it shows that a majority of city residents are in favor of dog. Again, it's not a good sample, so it doesn't represent the all the residents in the city. Okay, so it's not the answer here. B, the survey sample should have include more residents who are dog owner. Well, we said, yeah, that's where the problem is, right? So it shouldn't be all dog owners. Okay, should not be. The survey sample should have considered entirely of residents who do not own dog. Well, again, that's false. So it had to be D. The survey sample is biased because it is not representative of all city residents. Okay, so for number 7, the answer should be D.